Hi, this is Roger from Kanka Labs with a follow-up video about the materials useful for repair and restoration works. Now, some users have recommended some materials that I didn't know of, and they come in two groups. This is the first group, and they are all similar to the Pattex kneadable two-component epoxy glue that I showed you. Let's start with this Milliput, which comes also in different flavors and colors, and you can see already there are two, in this case white, parts, and I've read the instruction before, so you shall need equal parts of the two components together, and then they finally will give you a mix that hardens in, I think, 5 or 6 hours. So this even feels and smells like the Pattex two-component epoxy. So I will not do this here for many minutes, but it's clear what it is and recommended by one viewer. The next is, this comes from India, M-Seal Fatapat, or however this is pronounced. And by the way, why I'm showing these to you is because some of the materials that I presented are not available outside of Germany, but these I easily got all of them on eBay, so they are available more or less worldwide. Oh, looks like two big pieces of chewing gum. So same principle, two kneadable components, and they are also advertised as epoxy. And the third is, I knew this from their name, JB Weld. So this seems to be quite popular in the USA. Let's open this and see how the consistency of the two parts is. Oh, they are even still sealed. Yeah, this is more paste-like. So this has quite a different consistency, but was very recommended by one viewer that it's really one of the best materials. The different colors are quite useful just to see when they are perfectly mixed. So I won't test this here live any longer anymore. It just takes too much time. I think these are, at least the JB Weld and the Milliput, are quite well known, and the M-Seal Fatapat coming from India seems to be more known in the Indian subcontinent. And there's another group of materials which I wanted to present you in a different video. This is ABS cement, sells under quite a lot of brand names, and I have similar glues that you find in model shops for gluing together plastic models. So this is basically liquid ABS plastic. Not so useful, I think, because it's very liquid, for reconstructing any broken materials. Similar to that is, that's again something only available in Germany, Acrifix. This is in fact liquid acrylic. So with this material you can glue and restore broken acrylic, and it consists of the same material. So it is really liquid acrylic, and thereby you can repair or restore broken acrylic nearly perfectly. So that was it for a short follow-up with the two groups of repair materials, the two component kneadable or mixable epoxy glues and the liquid plastics, either ABS or liquid acrylic. So thanks for watching, and thanks to the viewers who hinted at these different materials. I think they are all quite useful. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye from Roger, bye from Kanka Labs.